Today we're going to be taking apart this Logitech Mechanical MINI keyboard, and this is going to be the for Mac version, which comes in white. We're going to be doing it with this electric screwdriver set. So if you're interested in this, links will be down in the description below. So the first thing we want to do is actually take off all of the keys. So all of the keycaps are off, and this is going to be a great stopping point if you're just wanting to clean your keyboard, because typically if you eat out your keyboard and there's crumbs, they're all going to be back here. So you can grab a brush and just kind of sweep everything out of the way. Now, if you are wanting to take this keyboard apart even further, there are going to be a bunch of screws, as you can see right there, and they're going to be all around the keyboard. So we're going to go ahead and do that next. So we're going to go ahead and go one by one. The next step is going to be to actually pry the keyboard open. And in order to do that, we're going to come in at it from this crack over here along the top as well and pry it off. Alright, so this thing is off, and you can see once I separate the top from the bottom, there is going to be a little cable attached there, and we need to unhook that before fully taking this thing apart. And very easy. I am seeing there is a disconnector here from one of the components, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off. And what we're going to do to get further is unscrew the screws here, here. There's a few of them laying around, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And now we're ready to actually remove this thing. So I'm just going to pop it open. You can see it comes right off. As far as I can tell, I don't think we can go deeper than this. This is as far as this keyboard can be unscrewed. And if you are interested in seeing the model numbers and serial codes, the numbers right there for the board that's being used on this keyboard. And then there's also some text here. The battery is going to be stored on the base, which is where the keyboard sits on your desk with the extendable legs. This bit here has the battery stored in there, and you can see there's no way to get inside of this battery. So that is pretty much the teardown. If you're interested in this keyboard or this electric screwdriver set, I'm going to leave links down in the description below where you can check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.